Good morning for the today's session. I am Professor Raju Patil from Mechanical Department, Angni Engineering College, Belagavi. So today we'll be discussing about. I welcome you all for the today's session. So today we'll be discussing about metal cutting. Metal cutting is known as machining, which is most common phenomena used in manufacturing industries. Okay, every product, big or small, undergoes a machining process to get a final product. In a metal cutting, two terms are very important. Those are orthogonal cutting and oblique cutting. So first of all, you all can see here, that is orthogonal cutting. So you all can see this square block is a chip, and beside that there is a tool, and below that there is a workpiece. So what is orthogonal cutting? Orthogonal cutting is the type of cutting in which the cutting tool is perpendicular to the direction of the tool motion. In this cutting, the flow of chip is perpendicular to the cutting edge. The tool has lesser cutting life. This tool has lesser cutting tool life. Okay, in this type of cutting, okay, this is also known as 2D cutting. Why it is called as 2D cutting? Since two mutually forces are involved here. Okay, and next we'll be discussing about oblique cutting. Okay, you all can see the oblique cutting, the square block, that is a chip, and beside that there is a tip, and below that there is a workpiece. So first of all, we'll discuss what is oblique cutting. In this type of cutting, edge of wedge shape cutting tool make a angle except right angle to the direction of the tool motion. This will affect the cutting conditions. It is also known as 3D cutting. Since three mutually forces are involved, so it is known as 3D cutting also. Okay, and difference between orthogonal and oblique. What is orthogonal? In orthogonal cutting, cutting angle make right angle to the direction of the motion, and in oblique cutting, cutting angle of tool does not make right angle to the direction of the motion. Okay, and in orthogonal cutting, flow of chip is perpendicular to the cutting edge, and in oblique, flow of chip is not perpendicular to the cutting edge. Okay, in orthogonal, tool has lesser cutting life. Chip flow over the tool surface finish is poor, or you all can say very poor also here. Okay, compared to oblique cutting. In oblique cutting, tool has higher cutting life, chip flows along the sideways, and the surface finish is very fine, or you all can say good. Okay, and in orthogonal cutting, chip flow over the tool is two mutually. In orthogonal cutting, two mutually perpendicular forces are involved. Therefore, it is known as 2D cutting. And in oblique cutting, three mutually perpendicular forces are involved. So, it is called as 3D cutting. So, thank you for the today's session. We'll continue in the next session. Thank you.